Welcome back. We are back. Lamlam is back in Quebec. Okay, tulog ang bata. Lordito. Oh. The Ice Castle. No, this is not the Ice Castle. But that is the main attraction here right now.
Ice Castle.
The sledding. Alright, let's go. Muna yung tunguan, background. Actually, ay sa to ang kuan kan. Kani siya wood ni siya actually sa pagkuan, summer wood ni siya. Yeah. Let's go. Danger access interoid keep out. No, sled. Ano yung sled ba niya?